What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going over to my dad's house. While we're on vacation in Florida, he was driving his 2006 Toyota 4Runner and the upper ball joint broke. So luckily I had some 5th gen UCAs and I've been told they're a direct fit, so I'm going to go replace them today so he can drive his vehicle again. I looked at it the other day. It looked like nothing else was damaged except for the upper control arm where it just detached from the knuckle. So I'll show you guys the process of me replacing the UCAs. I'll show you the damage when I get there. Alright guys, here it is. As you can see, ball joints snapped off there, tires leaned in. I'm gonna paint its caliper too. Dealer replaced it with some aftermarket one. It's all rusted out. So, but yeah, lay off all along. Alright guys, got the old UCA out. 19mm, you just slide the bolt that way. Problem we're having is this ball joint nut is stripped, so I'm gonna try to cut it out, see how it goes. Here's the old joint. See where it failed. We'll see. Alright guys, we got the new UCA in. You route it through the top. You gotta take off some lines. I undid that, and that black line, I just popped it out, fed it through there. Still working on getting this ball joint out. I'm gonna try to cut it more, see what happens. Alright guys, we're at a standstill on the 4Runner. The upper ball joint, castle nut, I guess is what it's called. It's stripped, of course, you know. Those are the original UCAs. They're 15 years old. They got like 150-some thousand miles on them. So I had a feeling that would happen. Brought the Sawzall out. I got the nut cut off, but it ate through all my blades. So I'm going to Lowe's to buy more saw blades, so I can keep cutting on the ball joint. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Lowe's had them, so bought a bunch and head home, keep cutting. Fun stuff. Alright guys, I'm giving you an update. It's a few days later. I think the last part I left off, I was working on my dad's 4Runner, and I was cutting out the ball joint. Well, I could never get the stud out of the ball joint where it sets in, so we had to order a new knuckle. We're waiting on that, so that's where we're at on the 4Runner project. I don't know how long this video's been. I'm probably going to stop it here, and then once I get the new knuckle, I'll make a new video of that, of installing the knuckle. This was kind of a fail. First time doing this. I don't know. It's frustrating. I spent all day trying to get that the ball joint out, and it just didn't work. So I bought some more tools. I bought a ball joint puller, and I bought all the sockets needed. I think it's a 35mm to get the CV axle nut off of the current one, so I can install the new knuckle when it comes in. So that's where we're at. So guys, stay tuned for the next one. Hopefully we'll get my dad's 4Runner back working. Right now it's on a jack stand. It's been that way for it's gonna be a week tomorrow. I've been trying to source a knuckle. This is my third one. I bought two, I ordered two, neither one of them, first one, the item wasn't in good enough condition to ship, which is, I understand. Second one, it was mislabeled. It was actually a 2-wheel drive knuckle and not a 4-wheel drive knuckle, so the CV axle wouldn't have went in anyway. I'm glad they caught it before they shipped it. And this one I've ordered, it comes with the hub, wheel bearing, it's all put together. So
hope we can get it put back together. I'll bring you guys along for that journey.